Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about one of the best consumption plays in India, which is Nestle India. And before starting, let's have a quick disclaimer. So this video is intended for educational purposes only. The facts and figures mentioned in this video are publicly available, and I'm not liable for any quality, accuracy, completeness, or timeliness of this information provided, or any direct, indirect, consequential, incidental, special, or punitive damages that may arise out due to the use of information provided in this video. Please do your own diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment. I do own the stock in my personal portfolio. So let's get started. So Nestle India is not a new company. It has been listed on the stock exchanges for quite some time, and the relationship of Nestle India with India dates back to 1912 when it became trading as a Anglo-Swiss condensed milk company. It started its first factory in 1961 at Punjab, and it owns brands like Nescafe, Maggi, Milky Bar, KitKat, Bar One, and several other big brands. Nestle Milk, Nestle Dahi, and Nestle Zira Raita is also a newly introduced. The different brands are there. It has been a market leader for many decades now. It's a household name in many of its categories. Let's look at some of the key stock facts. So, market cap of this company is around 1,68,256 crores. Current market price is around 17,451, and PE is around 77.9, and all of these figures are as of 22nd June 2021. Face value is 10, return on capital employed is 139%, return on equity is 106%. It pays a nice dividend, so net dividend yield is around 1.15%. So pretty good figures when you look at these facts. Let's see further. So let's see the financial highlights for this quarter ended 31st March 2021. So the sales is around 3600 crores. Growth Sales growth is around 8.9%, out of which domestic sales growth is at 10.2%. Profit from operations is around 23.3% of sales. Net profit around 602 crores. Earning per share is coming around 62.46, and it also paid an interim dividend of around 25 rupees per equity share. Domestic sales have actually given a double digit growth, and on a net 10.7% strong base in Q1 2020. Uh, Growth is broad based and largely driven by volume and mix. The key products boosted in home consumption. It posted double digit growths, and e-commerce also played a larger role, and it grew by 66% and contributed around 3.8% of domestic sales. So these figures are pretty good. So I can say it's a good quarter for Nestle India. Let's see the financial performance in the past years as well. So as you can see, the earnings have grown in the last 5 years. Earnings have grown, and the profit growth is around 18.65 CAGR in the last 5 years. And the sales have also grown, but not too much, but it's around 10% in the last 5 years. And the stock price has grown at a CAGR of 22% in the last 5 years. So these are pretty good numbers. It's a very strong performance if you compare with other listed companies on the stock exchanges. There are many FMCG companies, but if I look at these metrics for the last 5 years, and it has been a consistent performer over the years. Historical returns, if you see since 2001 to 2020, the total shareholder returns is, you can see on the figure on the screen, and annualized return is around 20.3% for each of these years, averaged out. So it's pretty good. The historical returns has been excellent. There are of course pros and cons. So pros is, in pros, company is debt free. Company has delivered a good profit growth of 18.65% CAGR over last 5 years. Company has been maintaining a very good healthy dividend payout of 109.71%. Cons are also there. So stock is trading at 83.15 times its book value, which is a little, which is an expensive, but then it is a quality which is trading at a premium. So it is justified. The multiple is justified based on the kind of a quality it is having. The company has delivered a sales growth of 10.31 over past 5 years, so that is a little lower on the on those on this metric, but still it has been a consistent performer on the other metrics which I have mentioned in the earlier slides. So what are the growth opportunities for this company? So it is consistently focusing on holistic health and nutrition by continuously innovating product mix, and this will enable large number of SKUs. So it will launch a lot of products in different brands, and the consumers have lot of variety to choose in the coming times. So this can create lot of newer brands, and it can create a consumer segments for growth in the coming years. There is a rapid digital transformation which is happening by investing in mix of traditional but online channels. So e-commerce is picking up really well for this company, and it is also opting for omni-channel grocery for sales. And this particular this channel has a enormous potential to grow the revenues multifold. In rural demand also can pick up over the years, and then this could lead to market share gains and unleash a new growth potential. So it can continue to gain market share. It will find new markets. The rural uh, demand will also pick up in the coming years. So all of these presents a lot of scope for potential growth for Nestle India. So what needs to be done? So if you're already holding the stock, then continue to be invested in the stock. There is no reason why you should sell it. Keep between 5 to 7% of your portfolio allocation in this stock. Buy on major declines. It is expensive at the moment. If some bad news comes or results are not so good on some quarters and it falls down a little bit, then you can make an entry to this stock, or you can follow SIP mode. Systematically buy that over months to make a position into that. Then or you can buy it on a broader market corrections like 5 to 10% market corrections. Whenever it happens, you can tuck into this stock and make a position into that. It's a long term play or rising consumption in India, and you should be a part of this story. So, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel so that whenever I create a new video on new topics or investments, you will get a notifications. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.